If you look at the operations here at Wertheim, you might think, oh, they are handling all these hot glass and these big rolls and all these rotating equipment. But forklift traffic is the most important hazard here.
Most important aspects in safety, especially here in Manville, is forklift safety. Forklifts are very dangerous, hazardous.
The forklifts you find everywhere.
24 hours every day.
Everything is transported with forklifts.
If one of those pallets with a chemical is not picked up right and it tilts over and it falls on the ground, then we have a chemical spill.
Or a forklift has to make an emergency stop and losing his load. And this load can crash to an employee or a type of equipment.
And because of the fact that a forklift truck is powerful, because it's very heavy and because it's moving, it poses a big threat to pedestrians who may or may not be able to see or hear the forklift truck.
This forklift has batteries and electric motor. It's very quiet. It's not so easy for the forklift driver to see all the danger points.
Imagine yourself in the cabin of a forklift. You have limited visibility.
So when a man is standing 10 meters before, he can't see him.
In order to make sure that the forklift truck is more visible, what we've done in Wertheim and in our other glass plants is that we gave our forklift a so-called blue spot.
One blue spot in the front, on the back side is a blue spot too.
Whenever a pedestrian sees a blue light on the floor, he knows that there's a forklift truck 2 or 3 meters up ahead.
So the most important thing for the forklift driver is to do it safely and slowly.
Accidents can be very seriously, as you can imagine, so we need to do everything to prevent them. And for that reason, a couple of years ago, we started a safety culture improvement project.
One of the aspects that the training is focusing on is how can you prevent an accident?
I think if you cannot do things safe, you should not do them.
We have a training course. The forklift driver drives this course. He drives around the cone. And here is important, he do it slowly and safety. He must unload the pallets and drive back to the first position.
In the field of safety, best practices are very important and everybody can develop a practice in which he is very good. Important is, especially in a global company like Manville, that we share those best practices. A good safety program not only protects our employees, but it also protects our managers and the company.
Last year we have 1 incident, this year we have 0 incidents.
Incredible improvement, but yeah, I think the programs we are doing and the efforts we are doing seems to work. But I think you can never rest on that, what you have achieved regarding safety. You need to work forever.